Hi friends, welcome back with another short video. If you want to change the default drive for storing your data in Windows 10, then watch this video till end. As you know that the default location of Windows is C drive, and when the operating system fails to work then we need to install it again, but sometimes we have important data in drive, so we try to recover, and we faces some difficulties. So why not we change the default location of that? Follow along a few easy steps to get rid of this problem. Whenever the operating system fails to work, your data will be safe in the other drive. So let's go for it. Here you need to copy these folders to drive you want. Now paste these in a specific folder in the other drive. Now you need to copy the location of each folder one by one. Just go to My PC and you will find these folders in the upper part. In the properties of each folder we need to change their location. I have changed the location of all folders from C drive to D drive. Now I will create a new folders on my PC desktop, and you will find that in E drive. Thanks for watching, and for more useful updates, subscribe my channel. If you want me cover any other topic on this channel just comment below. See you in next video, bye.